Many people have thought about getting into the real estate business, and it's no wonder that it attracts so many people, regardless of the market we're in. Being an agent gives you the opportunity to make as much or as little money as you want over your terms. You can do something we all love, like touring houses, and get paid for giving your opinions and writing purchase agreements. I'm about to give you the step-by-step process for getting licensed and getting started in business right away. Keep in mind that each state has different requirements for licensure and practice, so these will definitely have some variations. As always, reach out to me and I'll help you dig into understanding your state. Let's get to Tennessee requirements. To qualify for a Tennessee real estate affiliate broker's license, you will need to be at least 18 years old, have a high school diploma or GED equivalency, and have lived in Tennessee for at least 45 days prior to becoming licensed. Easy enough. If you have any criminal convictions, you may find it necessary to talk to the Real Estate Commission about approval options prior to starting the process. The Commission may consider applicants on a case-by-case basis, so just contact them. Next, let's dig into the process you're going to embark on. Take real estate classes online or in person. This is your first step. Tennessee requires that you take a 60-hour pre-licensing course and a 30-hour course for new affiliates. Online classes begin as low as $375 for the package and sometimes even lower. There are tons of pre-tests available and extra courses and features that you can pay for. You're only required to take the 90 hours before you get your license. Most courses are designed to let you pick up wherever you left off so that you can get it completed in your own time, especially if you do it online. This is especially important if you are transitioning from another career and need to maximize your time. Some of my favorite resources for real estate education are tn.gov and successrealestateschool.com, as well as ceshop.com. TN Trees is Tennessee Trees. It's where I took my course to get involved. I took my broker's course on ceshop.com. tntrees.com is Tennessee Trees. That's Tennessee Real Estate Education Systems. They provide in-class training for people who really prefer that. They also provide online. Success Real Estate School, same way. CE Shop is done all online. Step 2, you'll need to take your licensure test within 6 months of completing your education. You'll go to a state-approved testing site to take the state and national portion of your real estate test. In order to pass the test, you must complete them with at least 70% proficiency. Some tests are really difficult and others are easier. Just like anything else, there are several different versions out there, and the best way to prepare is to treat it like you will get the difficult version. The test will cost you approximately $55 each time you take it and can only be completed at an approved location. That will not be online. You will get resources to find the best testing site for you from your school or at tn.gov. 3, after you pass your test, you'll need to complete the fingerprinting requirements set forth by the state. Many places offer these services. I went to a UPS store to have it completed. Expect the cost to be around $50. Now you will need to shop around for the best real estate company for you. You'll want to interview at least 3 companies to find out what sort of training is offered, how much money you will make with each closing, and learn if the company's vision aligns with your own career goals. There is an extensive interview that should be completed with any real estate company you're interested in. At the end of this video, I have a link to a video about finding the best brokerage for you. As soon as you find the right company to work with, you will sign an independent contractor agreement with the company and purchase errors and omissions insurance, which is a state requirement. This will cost approximately $220. The state application will cost about $100. They will then send your information to the Real Estate Commission and you will wait on your license to go active. Step 6, join your local association of realtors and multiple listing service so you can provide maximum visibility and resources for the clients you work with. Being a realtor and being a real estate agent are 2 very different things. You want to offer the association's tools to anyone you work with. To start, this association will likely cost you about $500, but it really does vary depending on the association. It's a membership that will be charged yearly. Getting involved in the association will change your business over and over again. You can be a real estate professional without being a realtor member. A lot of companies don't allow that. Most real estate professionals do subscribe to the Association of Realtors just because it's a no-brainer. The benefits are just so much better. As soon as your license is active, you will be able to begin training and learning to complete different transactions. After you're licensed, Tennessee requires that you complete 16 hours of continuing education each 2 years after you start in the business to make sure that you're staying up to date on core real estate standards. The cost of this total process will vary based on what resources you use and whether or not you have to retake your test or school. It can be completed with as little as $1,300. I would recommend saving as much as you can for any unexpected expenses that may come up, especially if this is a transition period for you in careers. This is all just a brief description of the process you'll be embarking on. Remember that you don't get paid until you close a property, so check out these 2 videos. One is an in-depth look at choosing the right real estate company for you to work with, and the other is a step-by-step guide to starting your business off with a bang so you can get paid. I'll see you over there.